Welcome back to Civil Structure Tech Guruji YouTube channel. Here Engineer Hari. In this video I will show you the some interesting facts about the Jyoti Cnc Automation Limited जो कि आफ्टर आईपीओ मार्केट में ये ट्रेड कर रही है। तो वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर अंत तक जरूर देखिए ताकि आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग बने।
Jyoti CNC Automation share rises to .56 closing at 1,297 rupee today 26th August. Volume 5.95 lakhs. 52-week high low 1448368. Made 52-week high on date 20th June 2024. Given returns. 1 day 2.60%. 1 week 14%. 1 month 17%. 3 month 46%. 6 month 114%. 1 year to 91%. Jyoti Cnc Automation is a leading manufacturer of simultaneous 5-axis CNC machines in India with a 10% market share in the country. It has years of expertise in designing and manufacturing tools for companies in aerospace, defense, auto components, general engineering and other industries. Jyoti Key points. Geographical reach. The company delivered 8,400 CNC machines to 3,500 customers in India, Asia, excluding India, Europe, North America. It supplies to Romania, France, Poland, Belgium, Italy, United Kingdom and other parts of the world. Client base. ISRO, BrahMos Aerospace Thiruvananthapuram Limited, Turkish Aerospace, Uniparts India Limited, Avtech Limited, Tata Advances System Limited, Tata Sikorsky Aerospace Limited, Bharat Forge Limited, CRI Pumps Private Limited, Kalyani Technoforge Limited, Shakti Pumps India Limited, and Bosch Limited. Manufacturing unit and capacity. The company operates 3 manufacturing facilities, with 2 situated in Rajkot, Gujarat, and another in Strasbourg, France. As of Q2 FY24, Jyoti CNC Automation possessed the capability to produce 4,400 machines annually in India and 121 machines annually in France. Referred. Website BSE NSE. Market cap 29,487 CR. Current price 1,296 rupees. High low 1,450 rupees 368. Stock PE 137. Book value 60 rupees. Dividend yield 0%. ROE 21.2%. ROE 20.9%. Face value to rupees. Promoter holding 62.6%. Debt to equity 0.22. Profit after tax 215 crore rupees. PAT QTR 24th June 50.9 crore rupees. OPM 24.8%. Return on equity 20.9%. Price to book value 21.6. Profit growth 7,836%. Pledged percentage 0%. Profit VAR 3 VAR is 60.8%. Watch more to know some data. Compounded profit growth. 10 years. 5 years. 129%. 3 years. 61%. TTM. 7,836%. Shareholding pattern. Promoters plus 62.55%. FIIs plus 4.91%. DIIs plus 6.54%. Public plus 26.00%. No of shareholders 45,162. Revenues vertical: Aerospace 41, General Engineering 18, Auto Components 25, Technical. Current price 1,296 rupees. Stock shows positive trend. Price above average of 5 days 1,323 rupees, 10 days 1,182 rupees, 50 days 1,135 rupees, 100 days 1,029 rupees. Moving bullish average 7. Bearish 0. Supports and resistance: R1 1,322 rupees, R2 1346, R3 1389. Supports: S1 1264, S2 1212, S3 1187. These are some analysis on Jyoti Cnc automation stock. I request you please subscribe my channel and put likes. Also requested to put comments if anything left to include in the next content. Thank Jai Hind. Engineer Hari for Civil Structures CSTECHGURIJI YouTube channel.